Hey y'all, we are on Vlogmas day number 2, and again, barefaced, beautiful and blessed. Listen, we not all beat up today, beat in a good way. Not we don't get beat up, hallelujah. But I mean makeup. But we are barefaced, beautiful and blessed. And I thought that today I would just talk about my new place. So a couple months ago, I did do a video about my apartment testimony. So I have to figure out how to link it because I don't know all the new YouTube ways of doing stuff. So if I can figure out how to link it, then I will link it to this video. But if not, go to my profile and you'll see Stephanie's apartment testimony, how the Lord literally worked out this move in just a few days. So I figured I would show you my old place now. Don't mind the footage at the old place. So we were packing and getting ready to put everything in boxes and bins. So it looks really cluttered. I promise I didn't live like that. I promise. But you'll see my old place, my new place empty, and then as we start to fill things in the new place, and then I'll just be sharing updates along the way. So here's a Vlogmas day number 2. Keep watching. All right, so this is my old place. As you can see, my closet is stuffed. I don't know how I fit all my clothes and shoes in there. Crazy. Had to put my towels and sheets on a bookshelf. Okay, again, we were packing. So yeah, this is my room. This is my closet where I kept the coats and some business stuff and just, oh, y'all, look at all this stuff. Again, we were packing, so everything is all over the place. That's actually my table that I would pack my boxes on for my business, and then found this actually at the dumpster and brought it back, and it's full of business stuff. This is my living room, my couch, all my stuff is packed. So here's my new place. Oh, I love it. Look at how beautiful and bright this place is. Like, look at the kitchen. Oh my gosh. I have an island. I have space. I have counters. Huge living room. This is my washer and dryer. I actually gave my washer and dryer to a friend, my old one. But look at all this beautiful natural light to do content. This is a closet. I'll be storing stuff in. My bedroom is just so bright and big and beautiful. Now this bathroom is nice. Oh, okay, here's the bathroom. 2 sinks, even though it's just me right now. 2 sinks. I got my big garden tub. Didn't have that at the old place. And this closet is everything. Look at it. I can walk in and turn around and dance. Have a linen closet now. I can put my towels and sheets in. That's exciting. And yep. All right, so that is that empty, and I want to show you everything kind of filled in. So we used the front little closet. I don't even know if that's supposed to be storage, but it is today, huh? So we filled in the drawers, all the utensils and everything. Had to get some dividers. Still going to get some dividers. And then the cabinets are filled up. Now, I've actually rearranged some of this, but this is what it was when we first unpacked everything. So cups, plates, bowls there. Cooking stuff, pots, pans, skillets, all that stuff there. Now I need to purge under my sink. I don't even use a fourth of this stuff. It's just collection. Okay. Drawers, cutting boards, towels, oven mitts there, and then more pots, pans, bowls, all that good stuff. And then our mugs, tumblers, thermoses, all that good stuff, medicine in that cabinet. Our pantry, this pantry is deep. It goes pretty far back, so I'm going to have to figure out a system. So, yep, this is the living room. Got everything almost unpacked in there. There's the laundry stuff. Yay, lingerie. And then we're going to go back in the bathroom. So our linen closet is full. I'm going to do some updates. Now look at this room. I didn't even realize I had this many pair of shoes until I unpacked. Like, where did all this stuff fit in my old place? Like, y'all tell me, all right? Under cabinet stuff, cleaning supplies, got stuff in bins, and then more bins. Call me Benisha. Bedroom, going to get a headboard. There's that front little dresser there. And then there's a closet filled with some business stuff and boxes and amps and all that stuff. And then we're going to go see the patio next. I love my little patio. It's right off the highway, which I love. Just kind of sitting down and watching the cars drive. All right, so there you have it. That's my new place. Now, as you can see, I've done some things since then. I even have a craft table that I do crafts on. Oh, My ramen's ready. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.